Hey, traders, Nick here looking at Disney. I got a question about it. Is it time to go long? So here's the skinny on Disney. First of all, before I forget, if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, do so at the end. There'll be a little pop-up that should be on the left or top right corner or top left corner. I can't remember. So go ahead and subscribe. Maybe I'll also provide a link down below if you wanted to jump into a chat room. We're doing good things in there. Caught a whole bunch of rallies this week, last couple of weeks. It was great. So anyway, a lot of fun too. Learning a lot. So Disney, fundamentally speaking, it's cheap. Well, it's not expensive. It's like 16 PE on a trailing basis. So that's Apple territory, about half as Google and Facebook. Air math there. 4 times sales, I want to say. So it's not exorbitant as far as price. It's not dirt cheap. And it recently had a big reset in price. So this is a chart, what is that, 2-hour chart. So fundamentally, it's a great company. It has assets globally. There's not one person on the planet that doesn't know Mickey Mouse. Most of their movies are household names everywhere on the planet. I know a lot of people abroad, so it's truth. So they have content, they have a following, they have proven management. It's a stock that if you owned it for the long term, you made money. There's no doubt about it. So if I'm looking to own it for the long term, I'm not going to nitpick it a couple of dollars here up or down. I should just buy it. If the markets are higher, Disney's going to be higher. This recent jump, like a reset and plateau, a completely different level of trading, it doesn't make it expensive. That's included in metrics I just told you. The only difference is now the expectations over this rolling out of the streaming process. So Netflix is the one that actually told everybody, hey, you guys and gals need to just stream. So everybody said, okay, the whole world wants to go streaming from now on. That's the goal. Everybody's moving to streaming. So Netflix has everything to lose. Disney has everything to win. And for Disney's perspective, it's just a matter of turning on the faucet. Why? Because they already have thousands, if not more. I don't know how many. They have billions of dollars just waiting to be milked from old stuff they already have. I mean, we're talking like go back in time. Bambi, is that Disney? I'm pretty sure that's Disney. So they have tons of content, and more importantly, they keep producing content so great and so popular. Great marketing, and it's cheaper, way cheaper than Netflix as far as marketing, the content production. So Netflix has its own audience. I don't think it's an either-or situation. I think that they can coexist. The parents will want Netflix, the adults will want Netflix, the kids will want Disney. Now Netflix will have to go down to the kid level and try to produce. I don't have Netflix. Maybe they already have that. I don't know. But the point is for Disney, just turn on the faucet. And it's cheap enough that they can both coexist. I can't remember the price point, $5, $7 for Disney. So it's not going to cause people to say, oh, I can't sign up for Disney until I cancel Netflix. So there's not going to be a barrier to entry there. So the only thing that can mess this up is management. So if management delays the launch, Disney is going to suffer. So as far as levels are concerned, somebody said, is this a good time to go long? Well, I've been waiting for this breakout. What happened is the range has gone from way wide to a pinpoint. So now something's got to give, either break out or break down. So they failed up here. They failed up here. They failed. They failed. They won. They succeeded, but not enough. Now they got over it. They need to prove that they're worthy of it and hold it. What is it? This range right here, whatever this range is, like as low as 141.70, anywhere around here. I want to see a clear close above it to say, okay, they're taking the leg higher. Otherwise, if they lose this level right here sticks out, let's call it 139.75. This is another level, 137.80. So these two levels, if they're lost, then it carries some momentum downwards. But I expect a floor somewhere around 134. Why? Because it's well consolidated. Well, this is relative. This is just 2-hour charts, so we're talking a couple of months versus longer. So let me go back to a year. So this is a year worth of data. Each tick is 1 day. You can see that same pattern. It went from this wide to pinpoint. So either this or that. And if this happens, I'll be a buyer for sure, or selling puts or something. I don't know if they're going to come back and do this. It will take a big change in either the markets or in Disney. So let's go to a 5-year or a monthly chart. Whoops, sorry about that. Maybe it doesn't like it when I change the, yeah, see now I messed it up. There you go, Nick. Good job. All right, so this is 5 years worth of data. You can see a well-consolidated pattern. If they ever fill that gap, I'm a buyer with both hands, meaning I'm going to sell as many puts as I'm allowed. And here's a monthly chart. Clearly, if you own Disney for the long term, this is, we're talking 1999 to now, you won. And if you believe in the ABC patterns, whatever, 3 pushes, whatever you want to call it, here's one push. They sold it, consolidated. They should have another equal push, and so there's upside potential still left over. This is monthly, so the candles are a lot. It's just a complete month. This is weekly, and this is back to daily. So same chart, just different time frames. Bottom line, great company. I don't short it. If I want to short it, I'll have to be tactical given those short-term levels I noted. But even then, I mean, I'm not that fast. I'd rather go long. It's a matter of picking a point in time where you go long, and it all depends on my time frame. If I'm in it for the long haul, I'm not going to worry about it. Buy half now, buy half when it dips, then I'm good. Or buy half now, sell puts to enter. That's a different kind of conversation. So if you know, if you already get my emails, then you probably have been getting some ideas on how to trade it via selling puts. Otherwise, you know where to reach me if you have any questions. Nick signing out.